our 2-day adventure begins. We met our guide, Jackie Chan.
After you eat, you give like
a couple of flies. For dinner, we got some.
Oh no!
Bye, apartment. We'll miss you and your pool.
Condos. And we're ready to go. Okay.
Thank you. Our ride is here,
Yeah, this one's nicer than the red ones.
and our 2-day adventure begins.
where are you from? 300 kilograms for day.
Oh wow.
One elephant?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
They never stop eat. Always eat food. They're happy.
Yeah. So right now we're at a local market, picking up stuff for dinner as well as breakfast over the next couple days. We met our guide, Jackie Chan is his name. Super nice guy.
Like coconut,
Yes.
we can cooking. You know this. We can cook with the chicken. It's made like you like spicy a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Am I supposed to eat it right now? It's very like mochi, coconutty sort of.
Oh
But
yeah.
there's something on the inside. What is this? Try it?
Yeah.
We just had something that was made with sticky rice, I think, or like the water from sticky rice. And I think there was some shredded coconut in it, and I really liked it. It was like sweet and chewy and sticky and in a leaf of some sort. I loved it.
Okay, rock and roll. Here, and you start walking here.
This is the gas station in this town. You see that? It's like some sort of funnel with gas at the top. That's how you know you're in a small town. I think I'll also start off by saying that my apologies for the next couple videos or the rest of today and tomorrow, because I have no idea what's about to happen. So there's going to be really no preface to what's about to happen. It's just going to happen. But we're really looking forward to it.
This the medicine we call the tiger balm. Tiger
Oh,
balm is
tiger
good
balm.
for everything. Yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, good for everything.
Wow.
Yeah. When you go and you put it back, the sap coming back like it.
Jungle bubbles. Oh,
So
what is
this when you
it's
hiking,
sour.
yeah, you hiking, you get very tired. Your legs no move, you know. You eat
Yeah.
this, make like your energy coming.
Come back up.
Yeah,
It's
and
like
then you hike.
sour.
Yeah.
It tastes like sour.
Take more. After you eat, you give like what you call like
Wow.
like separation.
It's almost like an apple,
It's like weirdly like an apple.
like a tart apple. A hat?
Okay.
A hat!
We've been hiking for like an hour and a half. And let's just say this, Jackie Chan is a nature man. About every 10 minutes he stops and tells us to eat something or shoot something or...
Yeah, let's see, can you get him on film? Oh!
He got the bottle. Man, just very impressive. Just dropping knowledge. Oh, close.
Okay, you put some water, little bit. Okay. See.
Oh, wow.
This is nice. You can wash your hand.
So it's
This
like shampoo.
Yeah, shampoo. This no chemical. This is organic.
Yeah.
No danger for you. This.
Yeah.
It is absolutely fascinating to learn about how all these people that live in the jungle or have been living in the jungle for years and years and years, they literally everything they get from the land. Like, as we just saw, shampoo to medicine.
Don't worry, this is very good medicine.
It's like peppery.
Because of hot, sometimes you get problem. For this, you eat this also good here, but a little spicy.
Yeah. Peppery.
Yeah.
This is what I'm talking about.
I'm using my hair.
Bamboo.
Yeah, bamboo.
This guy is amazing.
What's the bamboo for?
Cooking.
Oh, cooking. Rice?
We cook soup like fish soup.
Oh.
We cook inside the bamboo.
Nice. What is going on? This guy's obviously been here before. Not a bad little lunch spot. Little waterfall in the background. Jackie Chan's cooking up some lunch here. Cooking us the goods. This will do.
I heard we have to be angry. But it smells so good.
Wow.
Smoke?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, but we're gonna do this. I'm gonna need to just stick it down there.
You can see.
Pork.
Yes.
Talk about sustainable. People want bamboo stuff all the time. Here's the real deal.
Oh.
Couple flies.
Oh, hi. You can about here.
There?
You know more big hand.
Okay. Yeah.
A swing and a miss. Oh.
Finished lunch, and now we are onward with the hike. Here we go.
Okay, so I see why the hike had me nervous because it was getting really rustic around lunchtime, and I knew that this was going to be like, you know, camping, but what? I'm so impressed. I'm really reassured, honestly. Woo. Yeah.
We made it to our place for the night, which is right there, and now it's time to go for a swim. All right, no better way to cool off than a cold Thailand waterfall. Here we go. Beautiful swim. Nothing better than that. Having kind of a surreal experience, I think, right now for both of us. We just trekked through the Thailand jungle, made lunch from stuff we basically picked up along the way, including making our own utensils and stuff. And now we get to this camp that is just like in the middle of the jungle. It's just me, Meg, and our guide, and that's it. A waterfall. We're gonna get to fall asleep to a waterfall tonight. I think we're gonna cook dinner. How does it get better than this?
It doesn't. You're not done.
We're gonna see who can get the longest here with these handmade tops. 3, 2, 1. Go on. I think I won. Yeah, cooking dinner now. Or Meg's cooking dinner.
Hi, ra khi nào có về. Ra khi nào có về một tư. More power.
For dinner we got some chicken with coconut, as well as kind of like a ground up cilantro, chili pepper sauce. Here we got some potatoes as well as chicken, cooked in a bamboo. So I'm guessing it's going to be amazing. I forgot to mention, and rice, of course.
You want it louder?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What? You have to really quick. Boom.
Oh no!
Make like it.
I think I broke the stick.
I'm make another stick.
Oh no! I broke it.
She broke his handmade stick,
Try it.
his
Use
noise
it.
maker.
Oh no.
Quick, don't break it.
Quick?
Boom.
There you go.
Woo!
Oh gosh, dang it. So basically what we got here is, I don't know if you can even see this. We have, yeah, there you go. We have a smaller piece of bamboo, kind of like with a handle, and then like a thinner part that goes in this thicker bamboo, right? And you just shove some cardboard in there, and pop, makes a noise. So much fun. Bamboo. Wow, what a day. We are in bed now. Crazy, it's hard to even digest. Meg, what was your favorite part?
I think the waterfall. Swimming in the waterfall once we got here.
I would have to say that that was close to my favorite. I would say probably my favorite part was when we were done hiking and we turned the corner and we saw our camp for the night. These things are so cool. What an amazing day.
Yeah, super amazing.
So many authentic experiences. Good news is tomorrow there's more where this came from, because we got a whole nother day of activities tomorrow. So
Yes, we do.
I think we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow or in the next one.
Look.
Did you hear it? Okay.